You know, I went too quick last time. I went a whole inch, or too faster this time. But again, he had him ready, and he was training like it, and he was looking like it today.
Did he continue to show that same type of body language down the back stretch and as you turned for home?
He was in a beautiful rhythm from the word go, which he does when he's on. Down the backside, he just took it in big beats of air, and he throws numbers at you. I mean, we don't try to get away with a 24 or 48, 49. I mean, we're going to run, and it's going to cost us at times, but it'll cost us other horses at times, too. They go with him, so it's kind of a double-edged sword. But he was just on today. He was ready to run regardless.
Congratulations. He was on it, so were you.
Thank you.
Mike Smith aboard Game On Dude. The Hall of Famer Bob Baffert, the winning trainer with Game On Dude today. First ever three-time winner of this race. After the San Antonio, a lot of people lost faith. Did he shake your confidence at all?
No, not at all. I just didn't really, he wasn't. I really didn't do enough for them, and I didn't think he was going to get into the super speed duel early, and he got tired, and I told Mike, hey, don't worry about it. I really didn't have him jacked up for it. The next one's important. So I really tightened the screws for the next race, and he's 7, so I can only do so much with him, because, when they get older like that, you have to really, you can't train him as hard as I could have, a couple of years ago. You got to remember, Bodie's only 2 years older than him, so, but it was really, it was exciting. I was in awe of the horse, watching him come down the stretch. I was like, what an amazing animal, and the home crowd here, they were pushing for him. I could hear the crowd. I'm emotional about it, but it's a great feeling.
He's a very special horse. We look forward to more from him this year.
I hope so. We'll take care of him.
Bob Baffert, your winning trainer with Game On Dude.
Straight in, they've loaded quickly. Here the Ghost, the last one. Here the Ghost goes in, gate closed, all set. Feel for the Santa Anita handicap, sent on their way to a good beginning. On the inside, Mucho Macho Man broke beautifully, but so did Game On Dude. So Game On Dude will go on to lead them early. Mucho Macho Man taken back into second. Here the Ghost on the outside. Will Take Charge is settled into the 4th spot, 4 lengths off the leaders. Then there's another gap of 4 back to Imperative, American Blend, Bling goes inside of that, and Rousing Sermon, the early trailer, gives them 10 lengths off. Into the turn they go, and Game On Dude out where he likes to be, showing the way. Game On Dude by a length now. Here the Ghost went a little wide into the turn, but is right there in second. 2 lengths back to Mucho Macho Man, a very comfortable third. He's 4 lengths off the leader. Just in behind that comes Will Take Charge. He's now getting a little closer to Mucho Macho Man as they move onto the back stretch. A gap of 4 back to Imperative, then American Blend. Blingo's still a good 8 lengths off the leaders, and 2 more to Rousing Sermon. They head to the half mile in the big cap. And it is Mike Smith and Game On Dude, a length and a half, but Mucho Macho Man moving in early today. Mucho Macho Man goes to take on Game On Dude, and Will Take Charge on the far side. This is the race we've been waiting for. The 3 stars line up as they pass to 3-8. Game On Dude goes on with it. Game On Dude's finding more. Mucho Macho Man, Will Take Charge on the far side. Imperative running on 4th. Here's the turn for home in the big one. Game On Dude goes on for home. Game On Dude the leader. Will Take Charge. Mucho Macho Man's done. He can find no more. Game On Dude the leader. Will Take Charge chasing. Game On Dude leads them. Game On Dude gonna write his way into the history book. Game On Dude and Mike Smith have won the Santa Anita handicap. Will Take Charge was second. Blingo was third. Then Mucho Macho Man. Here the Ghost behind that Rousing. Here the Ghost.